Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Equilibrium price must rise while quantity stays indeterminate. We need demand and supply to shift specifically to find the correct answer choice quickly. To get a guaranteed price increase with an indeterminate quantity, we must find a scenario where demand shifts right while supply shifts left, creating opposing forces on the total equilibrium quantity. Looking at option D, the health study boosts consumer preferences, shifting demand right, while a producer bankruptcy reduces the number of sellers, which successfully shifts the market supply curve to the left. Since both shifts push the price upward but pull quantity in opposite directions, the final quantity is indeterminate. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid rush. Trust given info and check steps.